Hey, what is up, guys? It is Andrew, and I'm here to show you how to make your own Bukkit server. This kind of is exactly the same as the other Minecraft server I've made before. It's just better because you can add plugins that are a lot better than mods because obvious for obvious reasons I'm going to show you later. So first thing you want to do is you want to make a new folder. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Bukkit server, and you want to open that up, and you want to just leave it there. And you want to go into here, and then you want to go to craft bucket, or you know what, bukkit.org. I'm gonna go there. Then you want to go to get craft bucket. All right, leave that there, and then also you want to go to the craft bucket. I'm gonna leave a link to get here, which is this, the dl.bukkit.org/downloads/craftbucket, and then / again. Now, you're going to need to get your development build for whichever version, your recommended beta or development. It really doesn't matter. Personally, I'm going to use the development because I have 1.7.2, and it's a lot better than 6.4 and 6.2. So, just download whichever one you have, keep, and then wait for it to download. And while that downloads, go back to the thing where it says setting up a server. Now you want to find your operating system, which is Windows, Linux, or Mac. Now you want to find once you find that, you want to keep this code like right there. Obviously you can't move it, but you want to keep the code there so that you have it for when you need it in a second. And you don't need this anymore, but I'm just going to keep it open. So we're gonna wait for this to download in like not even 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's done. You want to drag it into your folder, and then this is important, you want to rename it to Craft Bukkit. Alright, once you're done with that, you can exit out of that. Now you need a new text document. You can name that whatever you want. For right now, I'm just gonna name it run. Open up the text document right to the side, and I have Windows, so I'm gonna copy this code, copy it, and paste it into the text, and then save as. You gotta save as, and then type run.bat in all lowercase. You can save that. Exit out of that, and this will come up. You can exit out of that too. Now you don't need to keep this, but I'm gonna keep it just because I can. And all you need to do is just click run, and then this command prompt is gonna pop up. It's gonna say loading libraries, and then it's just gonna bring up all this, and then it's gonna start downloading every single thing you need for your Craft Bukkit server. So I'm gonna stop the video, and I'm gonna come back when it's done downloading everything. Hello again. So once this like stops and everything, it says that it's done, and that for help type help or question mark. Then that means it's done loading everything into the folder. So now all you need to do is just keep this open, and then type stop, then press enter. It stops the world and it saves it. Now, and then press any key to exit it. Now to run it again, obviously all you need to do is just click run. Now, if you want to save your world, then all you need to do, then you have to type in stop into the command prompt to stop the server, because it saves it. If you just exit out like this, it doesn't save it at all. It just doesn't even save it. So now to get it running, if you haven't port forwarded, I showed you how to port forward. I'm gonna put a link in the annotation right here, and so once you port forward, then your server is ready to run. Now if you want to get plugins, I'm going to show you right now. So to get plugins, you need to go to bukkit.org again. Wait for it to load. Now you got to go to get plugins. And then there's a wide, big ass variety of plugins here. You have so many to choose from all the way from admin tools to general fun, miscellaneous, website administration, to even world editing. I'm gonna go to world editing and type in world edit. This is the best to editing your world right here. World edit is the best because all you need to do is have a wooden axe, and then you left click and right click and what you want to do, and you can do anything to it. You can tell a lot of people like it because over 7 million people download it. So all you gotta do is, well, whoops, not that. All you gotta do is click download, and download again. It's gonna bring you to this page. Wait for it to stop. Open it up. And it's gonna bring this up. You need to check to make sure that there's no other .jar folders in it. And then, alright, so that's good. Now you want to go in here, and if you don't have a plugins folder, which you should, you gotta make one. It's just all lowercase plugins. And drag that into, you gotta drag the worldedit.jar into there. Next out of that, wait a minute. Just wanna double check. Yep. Alright. So you can exit out of that, exit out of that. All you need to do is stop your server and then run it again for the plugin to load. It'll tell you if it's loading, if a folder pops up and it says it in the what's it called, the command prompt. That's it, and that's all you need to do. You can go to vanilla Minecraft. You don't need Technic or anything to launch a craft bucket. It's just amazing plugins for your server. So that's all you need to know to make a craft bucket server. So I'm just gonna wait to show you if it loaded or not. Yep, world edit. See, folder popped up. You can change whatever you want with it. World edit, default configuration. Yep, everything's good. So there's your plugin. That's how you install basically every single plugin that Bukkit has to offer. Most of them, at least. I don't know if there some may have a different way of downloading them. Some may not, but most of them are just as simple as that. So that's all you need to know. I'm gonna show you how to get the free version of Minecraft tomorrow, and we'll see you then. All right.